So if you have a spreadsheet and some rows are hidden, you might be a bit confused about how to unhide them. You can see here row 1 is hidden and row 13 is hidden, as you can tell by the number 13 missing and by this double line right here between the two rows instead of the single line like you'd normally see. To unhide a row in Excel, all you have to do is highlight the rows on either side of the hidden row, right-click, and unhide. Now, this will also work with row 1, but you have to highlight number 2, go up 1 to the arrow here, and that will highlight the row headings as well. Right-click and unhide, and row 1 will reappear. Now, another way you can do this is to highlight these two, go to Format in the home bar, and then go to Visibility and Unhide Rows. This will work as well. Now, if you have a bunch of hidden rows in a spreadsheet, and you want to unhide all of the rows and columns at once, you can click on this arrow to highlight the entire spreadsheet, right-click, and click Unhide. This will unhide everything on the sheet. Now, one thing to note is if a row is hidden and there is a table or a filter with an active filter on it, so you can see here column 3 is filtered down to just 99. This may prevent you from being able to unhide rows. The way to fix this is to clear the filter on your filter or table, and then you will be able to unhide the rows again. Hope this helps you, and thank you for watching.